Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how to enable the child lock on your ROBOROCK Saros 10R. To do that, you should do it through the app. In the past, there would be an option to do that manually, but for some reason, it is not working on this robot. So we'll need to do that through the app. As you can see, I have the app open right here. Then you'll need to enter the device. Now hold on a second because I just set up the device, so let's go through that. Let's enable map saving maybe, and now I'll leave the update for now, and let's go to the settings. Now you should go to the option that will have the child lock. So the child lock will be in more options in the settings. Hold on a second, I may need to slightly lower the brightness. So let's go back again. Let's go into settings, then scroll down, go to more options, find child lock, enable it.
Child lock on.
And the buttons are now locked on the robot.
Child lock is on.
So
press and hold the power and dock buttons
whatever I
simultaneously
press.
to unlock.
And as you can see, it says what to do to unlock it. You can unlock it from the app, of course, but you can also unlock it here by pressing and holding power and dock buttons simultaneously.
Child lock off.
And now child lock is off. Now the last thing is that if child lock is on and the robot is currently moving, you can pause it at any time with a button by pressing any button. It'll just pause the robot. So whenever you start the robot, you need to immediately stop it. Child lock then doesn't affect it. You can still stop the robot, which is great. I hope that this video was helpful. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.